Guys, my first car was a Volkswagen Beetle, and we have here with us right now a 1966 Volkswagen Beetle, all original, everything, the engine, the interior, all of it original. This is amazing. Check this out. We're getting into a 1966 Volkswagen Beetle, and it has the original engine.
Yes.
Holy moly.
Yes.
Wow. So it's going to sound like a Beetle when we start it. Very cool. This is so cool. My first car was a 1968, so very, very similar. Everybody knows that sound. That's a nice feature. So one of the things about a Volkswagen is you can hold the steering wheel and you can tap the windshield with your finger.
Or
Here we go. 1966 Volkswagen Beetle with the original engine.
yes.
And they just drove it 12 hours from Cali to Bogota.
This is original. The original.
Oh, wow.
Yes. And
Original. So this hasn't even been replaced.
Yes. And this.
Oh my gosh.
This too.
Wow. All original.
Yes.
All original.
The conditioner air.
Yeah. Here's the air conditioner. Yep.
Yes.
That's right. So you flip it around like that, and it scoops the air right into your face. That's
Yes.
the air conditioner on a Volkswagen.
Look there.
Yeah. And here's your defroster, right? That's your defroster right there.
Yes.
I love it.
Yeah.
This is so cool. Oh, and I remember these. Yeah, that's all original.
Calefacción.
So this is for the heat,
Yes.
and this is for just the air, like a fan.
Yes.
Yeah.